Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel, and right now today Tesla is dropping 0.20%. That's not much, that's quite acceptable. Let's take a look at what the charts have to tell us. Guys, right now what is the most important key point in Tesla? The most important key point is this red line down here, $896. Why? Because this point worked so nicely as a support level and as a resistance in the past. Right now, on February 15, yesterday, Tesla did a breakaway gap and we broke the EMA, we broke this red line, we retested it as a support again, and right now we are trading above this point. This is very good, right? This is a very good sign. Of course, it's not as good as your support, as your like. If you are already my subscriber, remember to support this channel. And if you are new around here, well, I advise you to subscribe because here you're going to find daily videos about the market, updating you on my thoughts, on my insights, on many stocks, not only Tesla, but on S&P, on Palantir, on many other stuff. So seriously, subscribe at this channel. I bet you are going to like our content. Right now, what do we have to know about Tesla is that Tesla is trendless, but it seems to me that we are still slightly more bullish than bearish, because this purple line is connecting the previous support levels. When we look at, for instance, QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF, we can also apply a trend line over here. If we look at the actual index, this purple line also exists down here. The S&P SPY, it lost the first trend line, but maybe we have another one. It is trying to trigger a pivot point. That's fantastic. So Tesla right now looks a little bit more bullish than bearish, given the market's circumstances over here. Okay, so yes, it looks slightly more bullish than bearish. However, what if we lose the EMA again? What if we lose this red line? I think in the worst case scenario, Tesla would retest the purple trend line again. And this would be the worst case scenario. We almost filled this gap, although we did fill this gap on the aftermarket, I believe, on February 11 on the pre-market. So I think this gap was filled in one way or another. I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a look together. Regular trading, extended trading hours. Yes, the gap was filled on February 14 pre-market. So yeah, technically speaking, we got it right. Of course, it was not the way we wanted, but still Tesla did a very good and technical movement down here. It did a higher high, higher low. It is already doing higher highs, higher lows. So since February 11, it is a bull trend. In the midterm, it is a sideways trend. When we look at the daily chart, I find very hard to believe that Tesla is going to drop from here because we have too many support levels to work with. We have the 38.2, the 50, and the 61.8% retracements. So if Tesla is about to turn bearish, it has to lose the EMA in the 1 hour chart, lose this red line in the 1 hour chart as well, lose all of these retracements in the daily chart. So it's not gonna be easy. Okay, it is not gonna be. It is gonna be very rough for the bears to have a chance on Tesla. And I like that Tesla is dropping less than many other electric vehicle stocks, except for Lucid, which is actually going up right now today. Rivian is dropping almost 1%. NIO 0.35, almost twice as Tesla. Xpeng is dropping 2.42. So Tesla is quite resilient, if you ask me. It is not dropping that much considering the Nasdaq is also dropping. So I think this is a very good sign. It is a very good sign. Of course, it is not as good as our newsletter over here. If you want to beat the market, if you want to beat Tesla, because we did beat even Tesla last year. If you want to join a community of consistent swing traders, you may join us. This is our profitability. You may check our results over here. You can find the detailed trading log of every single one of our trades. So I invite you to join our community on our newsletter. So guys, now back to what's really important. What is the main resistance in Tesla for us to work with? The main resistance is this little black line over here. Tesla is trying to break it right now. That's very good. I think it's gonna break it. Considering we did what seems to be an ignition bar last hour, I think we have decent chances of breaking this thin black line at $922. By breaking this line, we are gonna automatically, at the same time, break the EMA in the daily chart. And that would be the first time since, I don't know, January 12, right? So that would be a very nice sign. For the first time in 1 month, we're gonna break the EMA. We are doing bullish signs in the 1 hour chart. So potentially our first target would be the $943 again. Okay, by breaking this top level, the next target is this upper black line. However, in my humble opinion, since the bias is slightly bullish since February 11, since we are doing higher highs, higher lows, since we have too many support levels to work with in many time frames, I do believe this might be the beginning of a mid-term reversal to 1K. That's my humble opinion in Tesla. When we analyze the long term, oh my god, what is this? Excuse me for 1 second. My videos are almost a live, okay, so let me hide these indicators over here. Okay, I think we can understand what's going on over here. Tesla is dancing around the 900 area, which was January's stop. Right now it is working as a support level. What's more, we are retesting again this purple line in the weekly chart. If you ask me, right now is the best time to buy Tesla. As an investor, if you're aiming for the long term, buy near support levels. This is it. Right now, maybe this is gonna be a very nice chance to buy Tesla at a very nice discounted price level. I don't know if Tesla is going to retest this point again in the future, but when you analyze the long term, always buy near support levels. This strategy has been working since forever. I mean, not forever, but since March 2020. It has been working so nicely since then. What are the odds of Tesla actually reversing from here? I think they are very little, considering we do not have any bearish structure, neither in the mid, short, or long term. So these are my insights in Tesla, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe. Are you still watching this video and you are not my subscriber? Please, for Christ's sake, subscribe to this channel so I can update you on a daily basis on Tesla and many other stocks. Thank you very much for your support. Stay safe. Farewell.